Robo Invention RC.
Today we will learn how to make a Robo Soccer Bot in this video, which can be easily made at very low cost.
Length 30 centimeters. Width 30 centimeters. Height 12 centimeters.
Circuit connection. Circuit connection. Connect these pins from D1 to D6 of esp8266 to motor driver respectively. D1 will be connected to Annabelle A. D2 will be connected to input 1. D3 will be connected to input 2. D4 will be connected to input 3. D5 will be connected to input 4. D6 will be connected to Annabelle B.
Connect the 5 volt of the motor driver to the VIN pin of ESP8266 and connect the ground of the motor driver to the ground of the ESP8266.
Circuit diagram.
Connect the 12 volt or 7 volt of the battery with the 12 volt of the motor driver. Now fix the polarity of the motor.
Uploading program.
Open the Play Store and search esp8266. Install the software. Click Open button. Go to Phone Settings and enable OTG. Click this icon. Upload the program. Uploading program. Press Wi-Fi option and press Wi-Fi card to 286.
Nicely working our Robo Soccer Bot. If you don't understand something, then tell me in the comments. I'm ending here by inviting you to watch the next video. Allah Hafiz.